Before starting the basics of TensorFlow, we are going to see one important cell, one important feature of Google Colab is Markdown. Markdown cells are of two types, text and code. In simple text, cells are formatted using a simple markup language called Markdown. Now, the formatting may be in terms of headings or text style or hyperlinks or itemizing, then listing, order list and order list, and passing questions. And likewise, now I'm going to show you the example of each of this. Now, if you double click on the text, that the output of the text, and one side output will show, and on another side we'll get the actual code. Now we see example of markdown text with tag repeated. See the various tags like bold, italic, then toggle headings, the five types of headings, then indentations, and simple tags, then insert links, how to insert a link, insert an image, then indent the text, then add number means number listing, then unordered listing or bullet adding. Then this is for horizontal, adding horizontal rule. And next one is just if you want don't want any output from this side, you will just clear that. Okay, the text with h5, it is having 5 hashes at the beginning, at the beginning, so it is a heading of type h5. And now if we want to italic text, then we simply, what we have to do, star, then the text to be italic in style, and then again star. In that case the text will be italic. Then for bold we have to use 2 star for making a text bold. Then for strike through we are going to use hyphen, 2 hyphens at starting and ending. Then for monospace we are using simple single quotes, and for no indentation we have to use nothing, we simply write it, it is of no indentation. Then level of indentation for first level greater than operator, one level for greater than operator one time, for two level likewise you can achieve indentation. Then an ordered list, and next one is unordered list, that is also over here, even over here. You click simply and you get ordered list and unordered list. I'm just deleting it simply. This option already work. We don't have more time, that's why we are covering it a bit fast. Then after doing that, we want to insert link, we can insert a naked link, directly write your URL, it is a naked link. And if you want some linked URL, then you can link it by doing so, by specifying the specific value. Then a linked URL can be specified, like using that labels you can specify linked URL. Then inline, if you want to convert some, we know if we want, if we write exclamation, sign of exclamation in front of an URL, it is converted into an image, and that image then that is shown in the form of image logo. Then now I want to insert an equation. We can also insert equation simply by using latex style. Inside a $2 sign, we have to write what we want to insert. Like we can do one practical, like dollar y equal to mx plus c and again dollar, and yeah, you can get that. And if you want indented that text, okay, simply it is indented. Likewise, we can do various things like e to the power some value, e to the power I pi plus 1 equal to 0, then e square equal to summation sign, and that infinity. All the equation can be inserted easily, and it is again a MATLAB style. Okay, a table, for simply for table, we have to first write first name, first column name, then pipe, symbol of pipe, then second column name, and this is a separator, line separator, and again pipe and line separator, and row 1 column comma column 1, likewise pipe separator, and this create a table. Okay, we see this this quite interesting. A of that underscore sign is used for subscript, and the value that we pass, it is subscript begin p matrix. Okay, then a underscore 11 comma a underscore 12, like and is for spacing, and slash c dot column dots, and likewise column dots, and vertical dots, and diagonal dots, and this equation get created. You can also create complex equation in this Google Colab for tutorial purpose, or for, and again for this horizontal rule is done with 3 dash. Okay, now we stop over here by showing output to you. Shift enter, and this is output of complete document. Yeah, we stop over here.